nomenclature of primary amine. Functional group NH2, secondary suffix amine, secondary prefix of NH2 is amino. Let us take a primary amine CH3 whole 3 C, CH2, CH, Br, CH bracketed C2H5, CH2 whole 3 NH2. E. Expansion of carbon chain. CH3 C, CH3 CH3 CH2, then CH bracketed Br is written as shown. CH bracketed C2H5 is written as shown. CH2 CH2 CH2, this is CH2 whole 3, CH2 CH2 NH2. S. Selection of longest continuous carbon chain, LCQ, LCCC, LCQ. This is the organic compound in the expanded form, and this one is the parent carbon chain, longest continuous carbon chain. N. Numbering of LCQ from one end which is connected to NH2 group as shown above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, L. Locants of the substituents or functional groups are written as shown below. NH2, this is the main functional group. It is written as 1 amine. Ethyl group is attached to number 4 carbon. It should be written as 4 ethyl. Bromine group is attached to number 5 carbon. It should be written as 5 bromo. In 7th position, there are 2 methyl groups, that is 7,7 dimethyl. 7,7 dimethyl. The nomenclature of above compound is written as follows. Secondary prefixes, primary prefix, root word, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Secondary prefixes are written alphabetically. This is given the trick S. P for primary prefix, R for root word, P for primary suffix, S for secondary suffix. Then secondary prefixes are 5 bromo, 4 ethyl, 7,7 dimethyl. Secondary prefixes are 5 bromo, 4 ethyl, 7,7 dimethyl. B is written first because alphabetically it comes first, then E, then M. D of numerical prefix di is not considered in alphabetical arrangement over here. Oct is the root word, primary suffix ane, then secondary suffix is 1 amine. E should be cancelled over here. Then the name of the compound is written as one word, 5 bromo, 4 ethyl, 7,7 dimethyl, octane -1 amine. Thank you.